In the heart of the Kanto Viridian forest, sunlight is not just illumination. It is a source of pure energy. Meet the Bulbasaur, a biological marvel that bridges the gap between flora and fauna. It looks like a reptile, acts like a mammal, but it survives like a plant. This is not just one creature, it is two, a perfect symbiosis, the Plant Symbiote. Scientists believe the bulb is a parasitic plant that fused with the host at birth. Unlike other Pokémon, Bulbasaur can go days without eating solid food. Using photosynthesis, the bulb converts sunlight into sugar and nutrients, which it shares directly with the host body. In return, the reptilian host provides mobility, bringing the plant to water and nutrient-rich areas. It is a partnership perfected over millions of years. Because of this energy source, they are generally docile. But make no mistake, nature is not always peaceful. When threatened by predators like Beedrill, the plant becomes a weapon. Prehensile vines, strong enough to lift rocks, strike with whip-like speed. Move, Vine Whip. But if physical force isn't enough, it engages chemical warfare, releasing toxic spores known as sleep powder, or utilizing leaves sharper than steel, the razor leaf. Small but incredibly versatile. As the host grows, the parasite grows with it, evolving into Ivysaur. The plant begins to drain more energy, making the host sluggish. Until finally, the flower blooms completely, the Venusaur, the lord of the forest. Its pollen can manipulate the forest itself. But its true power lies in harnessing the sun. The devastating solar beam, raw nuclear power, biological style. One day, this little bulb will rule the jungle. But for now, it's just happy to find a sunny spot, the perfect union of plant and animal. This is the Bulbasaur.